This phenomenon occurs when a thread's tensile strength exceeds its critical load. A thread is a single strand of yarn, fiber, or metal used to sew or join materials together. Threads have been used for centuries, with ancient civilizations employing them for various purposes. The earliest known threads date back to around 70,000 BCE, during the Upper Paleolithic era. Threads have evolved significantly over time, with advancements in materials and manufacturing techniques. Today, threads are used in various industries, including textiles, medical devices, and aerospace engineering. The strength and durability of a thread are crucial in determining its performance in different applications. One of the most significant factors affecting a thread's strength is its tensile strength. Tensile strength is the maximum stress a material can withstand without failing or breaking. However, not all threads have the same tensile strength, with some exhibiting remarkable properties. For instance, spider silk, produced by certain species of spiders, has a tensile strength of up to 1.8 gigapascals. But that's not the strangest part. The strength of spider silk also depends on the species and the type of silk produced. Wait until you hear what comes next. Researchers have discovered that the strength of spider silk can be attributed to its unique molecular structure. This phenomenon occurs when the molecules in the silk are arranged in a specific pattern, resulting in exceptional tensile strength. Imagine a thread that can withstand the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. That's roughly the strength of spider silk. However, replicating the strength of spider silk in synthetic threads has proven to be a significant challenge. Scientists have been studying the properties of spider silk for decades, attempting to understand the secrets behind its remarkable strength. But that's not the only thread with exceptional strength. Certain types of steel wire also exhibit remarkable tensile properties. For instance, steel wire with a tensile strength of up to 2,000 megapascals is commonly used in industrial applications. However, not all steel wire has the same tensile strength, with some exhibiting greater resilience than others. It's like comparing a delicate thread to a robust steel wire. Both have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Researchers have been exploring ways to enhance the strength of steel wire, leading to the development of advanced materials. One such material is a type of steel alloy that exhibits exceptional tensile strength and corrosion resistance. But what about the impact of thread strength on real-world applications? Let's explore some examples. In medical devices, threads are used to repair damaged tissues and organs, requiring exceptional strength and durability. In aerospace engineering, threads are used to reinforce composite materials, providing structural integrity and stability. The strength of a thread can also affect its performance in various textiles, such as clothing and upholstery. In fact, the strength of a thread can determine the overall quality and durability of a textile product. Imagine a garment that can withstand the rigors of daily use and harsh environmental conditions. That's the power of strong threads. But thread strength is not just limited to textiles. It also plays a critical role in various industrial applications. For instance, threads are used in the production of steel cables, which require exceptional tensile strength and resistance to corrosion. The strength of a thread can also affect its performance in various packaging materials, such as labels and tapes. In fact, the strength of a thread can determine the overall quality and reliability of a packaging material. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories about the strength and durability of threads. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the properties of threads. Want more mind-blowing facts about threads? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.